Welcome students, our today's topic is alternating series. So far we have discussed only series with positive terms. Now we discuss series with both positive and negative terms. Such series are called alternating series. For example, series 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 up to so on. This is an alternating series. First term is positive, then negative, positive, negative up to so on. Another example is 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 up to so on. This is also an alternating series. Alternating series has one of the following form. Summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k plus 1 ak is equal to a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4 up to so on. Or summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k ak is equal to minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 up to so on. Here remember minus 1 is power k plus 1 and minus 1 is power k just gives us positive and negative sign. We know that minus 1 is power even is equal to plus 1, and when minus 1 is power is odd, it gives us minus 1. Alternating series test. An alternating series converges if the following two conditions are satisfied. First is a1 greater than a2 greater than a3 greater than a4 up to so on. And the second is limit k approaches to infinity, ak is equal to 0. The first condition shows that if an alternating series is decreasing, here a1 greater than a2 greater than a3, and the second condition is a limit on kth term of or general term of the series. So this limit must be equal to 0 and the alternating series should be decreasing. So if an alternating series satisfies both these two conditions, then alternating series is convergent, otherwise divergent. Now we solve a question related to alternating series. Determine whether the alternating series converges or diverges. Here given series is summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k plus 1 upon 2k plus 1. Here general term ak is equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Remember minus 1 raised power k plus 1 just gives us positive and negative sign. So in general term we does not take this term minus 1 raised power k or minus 1 raised power k plus 1. So in order to test the convergence of alternating series, we have to discuss two conditions. The first is this alternating series must be decreasing, and the second is the limit on the kth term of this series. So here in order to show that this series is a decreasing, we find the relation ak plus 1, the ratio ak plus 1 upon ak, and ak plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1, 1 upon 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon value of ak is 1 upon 2k plus 1, and this is equal to 2k plus 1 upon 2, I multiply this term 2k plus 2 plus 1, and this is equal to 2k plus 1 upon 2k plus 3. Here we see that denominator is greater than numerator, so this is less than 1, which implies ak plus 1 upon ak is less than 1. So this relation shows that given series is decreasing, which implies ak plus 1 is less than ak, or we can write ak is greater than ak plus 1. So first condition is satisfied, means this given series is a decreasing series. Now we check the second condition, which is the limit. Now limit k approaches to infinity, ak is equal to limit k approaches to infinity and ak is equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. 1 upon 2k plus 1, and this is equal to 1 upon, after applying limit it becomes 1 upon infinity, which is equal to 0. Now both two conditions are satisfied. So this series is a convergent series because both the conditions of convergence of alternating series are satisfied. Now we discuss the convergence of this question. Summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 is power k plus 1, 3k plus 1 upon k plus 1. So given series is summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 is power k plus 1, 3k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Here general term ak is equal to 3k plus 1 upon k plus 1. ak plus 1 is equal to 3 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3k plus 2 3k plus 4 upon k plus 2. So this is our ak plus 1. Now we first check this series is decreasing or not. So for this, ak plus 1 upon ak is equal to 3k plus 4 upon k plus 2 upon ak. Value of ak is 3k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Now it can be written as 3k plus 4 k plus 2 into k plus 1 upon 3k plus 1. Now in denominator we have k plus 2 into 3k plus 1, and numerator we have 3k plus 4 into k plus 1. So this series is less than 1. This relation is less than 1. The reason is if we put k equal to 1, we get 3 plus 4, 7, 7 into 2, 14, 14 upon 3 into 5, 14 upon 15. So 14 upon 3 into 4, it becomes 14 upon 12. Now in this case, numerator is greater than denominator, so this is greater than 1. So this series is not decreasing. Here ak plus 1 upon ak is greater than 1, which implies ak plus 1 is greater than ak. So ak plus 1 is greater than ak, which implies the series is not decreasing. So it is not decreasing. So first condition is not satisfied. So for convergent, both conditions must be satisfied. So in this case, this series is divergent, which implies given series diverges.